It was the overhand right that scored him the knockdown early on. And a big left hand. Lakhara is out. Lakhara is out.
Matapos ang 4 na sunod-sunod na impresibong laban sa bansang Thailand, ay tila di makatulog ang bansang ito sa malagim na sinapit ng kanilang mga pambato sa kamay ng dayong Pinoy na tubong antipolo, ang alias Wild Beast ng Pinas, isang southpaw na si Adrian Lirasan. Kinakatakutan na ito sa bansang Thailand. Sa 4 na sunod-sunod na panalo kasi nito ay tinapos niya sa isang brutal TKO. Wala ni isang Thai boxer ang umabot sa kamay ng mga hurado. Pero dahil sa impresibong performance na pinakita ni Adrian Lirasan, ay gusto nilang makita si kabayan na lumaban pa din sa harap ng kanilang mga kababayan. Tila may masamang balak, gusto yata nilang makita na matalo ang ating pambato. Kaya noong nakaraang buwan lang, July 27, 2023, pinadayo na naman si Lirasan sa bansang Thailand para sa isang bakbakan. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, ay di na Thai boxer ang pinain sa Pinoy, kundi isang dayuhan na nagmula pa sa bansang India. Ito ay si HIGHLAND Lakhira. May record ito na 3 wins, only 1 defeat, isa dito via knockout at 23 anyos. Habang 13 wins, 5 losses, 6 via knockout naman si Adrian Lirasan at 24 anyos. Tila umaasa ang taga-Thailand na isang dayong Indiano na ang puputol sa sumpa ng Pinoy, puputol sa sunod-sunod nitong ginawang panalo. Pero itong si Adrian Lirasan alias Wild Beast ay isang di makontrol na halimaw pa din sa gabi ng laban. Isang nakakatakot na katapusan ng laban ang nangyari sa bakbakan. Tila isang malagim na bangungot ang dinanas ng dayong Indiano sa kamay ng ating pambato. Halos matanggal ang ulo ng kalaban nang tinamaan ng isang malahalimaw na suntok ni kabayan. Parang suntok lang ni Cuadro Alas Casimero. Lipad ulo kung matamaan ka nito.
Who's knocked out 4 Thai champions over here in Thailand taking us. So finally we've got a from Sidhan, Adrian. Bit of apprehension from both fighters, trying to make sure they don't make a mistake. High guard there from Sidhan. Good 1-2 from. Again, that straight left of the body shot straight up from distance. It's normally a when you're exposing the left side of your body. Again with the body shot. Open mouth there from Sidhan. That one hurt him. And another heavy left hand down the middle from Adrian. But Sidhan firing back with the left hook. Good. Left hook to the body there from Adrian. Crowd really getting behind him. Half a round gone so far, and Adrian has been throwing some fireworks. Right hook as well. Clubbing overhand right there. Well, right hook from Adrian. So accurate for Adrian. And again, doubling up with the right hook to the body too. Wide mouthed in and out fighter so far in round number 1. Good left hand there to the body, straight there from Adrian. And again, so Adrian wide mouth every time he gets hit with a shot to the body. And fighting back with his jab, Adrian with the uppercut. Adrian closing him down, trying to line up another left hand to the body, but getting one to the head, and that's going to do it for round number 1. Okay, so let's take a look at the replay here. His shot, his left hand to the body, the uppercut, the shovel uppercut to the body, and the straight left as well. And then going up high too to Rasan in the red corner. His body over a little bit so that he can cover, put his elbows in front of his body, his solar plexus. Oh, good right hook there from Adrian. Lakhara gambling there with throwing that right overhand right. Jab from Adrian. Good 1-2 from Adrian. Trying to gauge the distance, landing a jab. TKO in the 5th round. So he's hoping to get a good uppercut there from Adrian as well inside the pocket. Lakhara firing back with his own left hook. Another good uppercut. Big punches being slung here from both fighters. Adrian doing a good job just to push Lakhara off. Good job just to close his guard in and catch the uppercut with his elbow. Lost all the power at the moment and just clutching at straws, holding on for dear life right now. Right hand from Sidhara. And Adrian still firing back. Big left shots coming in. Right hook there from Adrian. Looping. So Lakhara gambling a lot, closing the distance with the overhand. Pro tricks, just pushing Lakhara back with his forearm onto the ropes, which is legal. 6, just see if we get that far. 3-punch combination to start from Adrian. Good left uppercut there from Adrian. Lots of venom behind it. Overhand left there. Right hook there from Adrian. Double jab from Adrian as well as he advances forward. Left hook there, left uppercut from Adrian. Left hook to the body there from Adrian. The body from Adrian too. Really attacking the body now. So not letting Lakhara off the hook at all. Right hook hits the mark for Adrian Larasan. Larasan still finding a home for his uppercuts as well. Right uppercut landing as well. Left straight there. Still one-way traffic. Big clubbing left hand there. Lots of power behind it. And Adrian Larasan back, but not getting a lot of success. Adrian now going to the body. Shoulder roll there from Adrian. Short right hook from him as well. Still pushing forward, advancing very well. There's that shoulder shove that we saw early on in round 2. It looks like he's absolutely spent. He's showing a lot of heart. Great body shot there from Lakhara, lunging straight forward and hitting the mark very well. Adrian not being phased by it too much. So the heavy round, but that left hand hit the mark well. And here we go, Adrian Larasan teeing off again on Lakhara, delivering hard right hooks, left hands there, going to the body too. How is Lakhara still standing? Hasn't stopped firing these bazooka bombs, and that's going to... Okay, so very aggressive round there from Adrian Larasan. As will in round 4 and fight back in the blue corner. Right hand connects there for Lakhara. He's got to grow his confidence. Larasan still the low guard. Lakhara firing back with a right uppercut. Uppercuts being fired back in here from Lakhara in the pocket. Larasan foot going into southpaw by the looks of things. Landing a left hand but moving. Larasan taking his time here to find the right shots. Lakhara has been a lot accurate in this round than compared to the previous rounds. Larasan with the head movement. Big uppercut. Stun Lakhara momentarily. And another right hook there, and almost looked like Lakhara is down. So we're approaching the minute mark. Is Larasan going to go in for the kill right here, right now? He's in southpaw. Body shot here. If Larasan wins this fight, he will fight for the WBC vacant title next month on this show. And can he finish it here in round 4? God, Lakhara breathing very heavy, trying to fire back with his own right hand that just glanced. Another overhand right, big overhand right. It was the overhand right that scored him the knockdown early on. And a big left hand, and Lakhara is out! Lakhara is out! Huge knockout victory there from Larasan, who gets back to winning.
Muntik nang matudas ang kalaban sa laban, kaya agad itong binigyan ng oxygen para makahinga. Wala pa ding minti si Larasan sa Thailand. 5 panalo via TKO at wala ni isang pagkatalo.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.